Where is my power? Is it in the air around me? Is it in my mind? Where is that love that surrounds me? How can I harness my goodness and unleash it upon the world? Where is my power? I'll take it in the time allowed me. Where is my power? Is it in